Facebook, good morning. Good morning, and I wonder what me up doing so early, right? Well, my so-called husband, this is his new apartment, and I'm waiting on him. He's nowhere to come out. You know, this is new apartment. I'm here waiting on him to come out and now come out. David, I'm outside. Come out, David. Come out, because this is not your apartment, you know, David. This is not your apartment. You don't live at 423 Bleakers Avenue in Brooklyn. You live at 423 Warburton. Out all day. Yeah, motherfucker. I've all day waiting for... Yeah, look. See him? Look at him coming out. I've all day waiting on your germs. Yeah, all motherfucking day. Come out, motherfucker. Come out, germs. Yeah, come out. A woman you want. Come out. I hope she can give you your fucking 10-year green card. Because where do you come up here and come scam me? You come up here and come scam me. You get your 2-year green card and you think say you have your 10-year. I hope she can give it to you. Get out, motherfucker. Don't peep. Get the fuck out. Like and share Facebook. I'm not that quiet, motherfucker. You come and get your stuff out my house. Why you turn back? Get the fuck out, germs. Get the fuck out. Corona, come out, Corona. Yeah, people, sorry to wake you up, neighbor, but that's my fucking husband, my so-called husband that I bring from Jamaica. All he do is cheat on me. Tell me that he's at his brother's house in Brooklyn all the time. Every day he's at his brother's house. He spend no time with me. We don't do nothing together. Fuck this bitch. That's all he do. I work 3 jobs and all he do is cheat. Work, cheat. All he do is cheat. See him there come out Facebook? See the germs there? Yeah, that's the germs right there. See him there? See him there Facebook? See the old fart there? Yes. But glad to see him. That's his new apartment now, motherfucker.